I'm Sarah Clark, coming to you from Hong Kong, and I'm joined by the Global Head of SuperReturn, Dorothy Kelso. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Sarah.
Let's talk about private credit. Where are we in the cycle for the private credit market?
Within private credit, direct lending is widely seen to be near saturation point. Part of the reason is that a lot of players went into the market, and there were even forecasts that it could match the size of the private equity industry within, say, 10 years. But just to put everything into context, the private credit market overall is still only a quarter of the size of the private equity industry, and there are lots of areas within private credit that are still underfunded, direct lending aside.
So how are investors dealing with concerns about a potential downturn?
They're doing things in a variety of ways. They're building down cycles into models, they are investing in differentiated strategies, they are stress testing portfolios, and they're even building and structuring deals to manage downside risks. So a variety of ways. I think they're all going on at the same time.
So within strategies, which strategies within private credit are attracting the greatest or increasing interest?
Fund managers are continuously innovating, and some of the areas right now are specialty finance, real estate debt, infrastructure debt, and distressed funds are also very popular right now, because obviously when the downturn comes, distressed funds will be able to capitalize on the investment opportunities.
And which regions are attracting the most interest?
In private credit, it tends to be North America and Europe have the most investment opportunities. Very nascent markets in Latin America, Asia and Africa. There's still some way to go.
Have you seen these factors play out at SuperReturn?
Yes, we have. Anyone attending SuperReturn knows that people come to mainly network. And at our two standalone private credit events, which are in North America and Europe, what we find is a lot of people actually stay in the room listening to the content, because there is so much to learn, almost from the ground up, but also things are changing all the time, and then there are new market participants. So there's been a very steep learning curve, lots of new people in the industry. So we tend to find the networking actually takes place during the networking breaks quite a lot, and people sit there listening attentively, which is a rarity actually for SuperReturn events.
Dorothy Kelso, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.